Hey guys, we're fixing to go get some supplies, but we've changed some things up in the camper, so you know what? We're just gonna do it. But I did want to give you an update. So here's what we're changing up. I want to show you. We're gonna go inside the camper here real quick. And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Okay, here we go. All right, so what we're gonna do is, originally we had planned on that end of the camper having a full fold-down Murphy bed, but we're not gonna do that. We're going to go with a traditional bed that is a table and bed set up so that we can get the storage on both sides. And we're going to not have a queen, I don't think. I think we're just gonna shave that down to probably a full or whatever, something else. Anyways, my wife and I sleep real well together, so we're okay. The other thing is that will give us storage, and we're gonna have storage cabinets that go from floor to ceiling on both sides over the fender wells. And then we'll have cabinets going from here all the way around the end to this cabinet on this side right before the door. Up here at the top, we'll have cabinets going across for the kitchen. And we'll have lower cabinets down here for the kitchen also. Right now, biggest question is do we take cabinets on the bottom on the floor down to this cabinet that's going to be standing up right here, along with a cabinet on the side, and remove the corner cabinet, the cabinets in that corner, and put a small water closet. Actually, it wouldn't be a true water closet, just have a composting toilet, but it would be kind of nice. Who knows? We haven't decided yet, so we'll see. Anyways, in the next couple of weeks, we're gonna have some things coming along, and personally, I hope y'all join us, because I'm really looking forward to getting this build going again, because it's about time to go fishing. That's right. Y'all have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next time. Bye.